Attach waterproof covers to the LAN ports. Rotate the bracket gently until it clicks into place. Drill holes in the wall, line up the bracket, and screw it in place. Power on the device.
System starting up. Wait to be configured.
Download the Ensecom app and register an account. Open the app, click the plus button, and select Bluetooth camera. Click Next. Select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Then click Next to proceed. Your camera is now connected and ready to monitor your surroundings.